Good morning to my all dear students of grade 8th. Today, बच्चे from your grammar book, The Grammar Magic, we will discuss chapter 13. Before starting this chapter, let's take pledge. I commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk of myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of the deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behavior. To always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places. To maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together we will win the fight against COVID-19. Students, our today's topic is conjunctions. Conjunctions are the words, those are used to join words, sentences. Okay? There are three kinds of conjunctions: coordinating conjunction, correlative conjunction and subordinating conjunctions. कंजक्शन क्या होता है? कंजक्शन वो वर्ड होता है जो दो वर्ड्स या दो सेंटेंसेस, दो फ्रेजेस को जोड़ने का काम करता है. तीन तरह की कंजक्शंस होती हैं: coordinating conjunction, correlative conjunction, subordinating conjunction. So our first is coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions may join single words or they may join groups of words, but they must always join similar elements, word. For example, I bought fruits and vegetables. And is conjunction here, and these are the same words, fruits and vegetables. These are correlated with, joined with the conjunction and. Phrase. For example, he was happy on winning the trophy but sad on losing the title of best man of the series. And sentence. He was not feeling well yet he came to the school. कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजक्शन वो कंजक्शन होती है बच्चे, वो वर्ड होता है जो दो सेम एक जैसे वर्ड्स को मैच करता है, जैसे फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स. दो फ्रेजेस को कंबाइन करता है या फिर दो सेंटेंसेस को कंबाइन करता है. कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजक्शन में जो वर्ड्स यूज होते हैं दैट आर फॉर, एंड, नॉर, बट, और, येट, सो. So in the other words, to remember these, we can say fanboys. F for A and, N nor, B but, O or, Y yet, S so. Fanboys. Okay. So let's discuss where we use for. For is used to denote reason. For is used to denote reason. For example, I could not get up early, for I had gone to bed late. जब हम reason बताते हैं then we use this. And is used to denote addition. Nor is used to denote not. And not. Okay. I didn't take my umbrella nor my raincoat. Means ना तो मैंने अपना अम्ब्रेला लिया और ना ही मैंने रेनकोट लिया. And nor दोनों को लिया जाता है. But is used to denote contrast. I waited for the bus but finally took a cab. Or is used to denote option. Yet is used to denote outcome. What will be the result of the first statement? Okay. Next page. So is used to denote result. I wanted to watch the series, so I hurried home. Punctuation with coordinating conjunction. So next point is how we use the punctuation marks with the coordinating conjunction. When a coordinating conjunction joins two words, phrases, subordinate clauses, no comma should be placed before the conjunction. जब दो वर्ड्स को जोड़ती है, दो फ्रेजेस को जोड़ती है, तो सबॉर्डिनेट क्लॉजेस को जोड़ती है, तब वहां पे कोई कॉमा नहीं आता. Varun brought pen and pencils, two words, word, conjunction, word. Namita began cutting the vegetable and putting them in the vessel, phrase, conjunction, phrase. I told him that he could write his name on the sheet and give it to the teacher. Subordinate clause, conjunction, then subordinate clause again. A coordinating clause joins three or more words, phrases, subordinate clauses, create a series and require commas between the elements. Varun bought paints, pens and pencils. Here we put comma between paints and pens. Word, comma, word, conjunction, word. Okay. A coordinating conjunction joins two independent sentences requires a comma before the coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction joins two independent sentences require a comma before the coordinating conjunction. Leela decided to learn dancing, but Geeta wanted to learn music. Both are the independent sentences. Sentence, it has a complete sense. This one also has a complete sense when we put conjunction, but before that we put comma. Clear? So next is your exercise. Fill in the blanks with appropriate coordinating conjunction. Someone pulled the chain, so the train came to a halt. The students were getting nervous, so the teacher gave them some tips on memorizing facts. It was a very hot day, but there was a big crowd at the stadium. These people may be poor, but they have a great deal of self-respect. I don't think I will read the whole book, for I find it quite boring. You will not go to the mall now, nor will you go to the theatre. Please feed the dog, or it will keep winning through the night. Turn over the page. He is rich, but he is very humble. The little boy stretched his hand, yet could not reach the cookie jar. Will you go to the party with me or with Jayesh? Next is bachche correlative conjunction. This is the second one, conjunction. Correlative conjunctions are the pair of words that are always used together. कोरिलेटिव कंजक्शन वो होती है जहाँ पे पेयर होता है वर्ड का और वो एक साथ ही यूज होते हैं, जैसे बोथ एंड, नॉट ओनली बट ऑल्सो, ईदर और, नीदर नॉर, वेदर और. अगर आप ईदर यूज करोगे तो आप नॉर यूज नहीं कर सकते. अगर आप नीदर यूज करोगे तो आप और यूज नहीं कर सकते. ईदर के साथ और, नीदर के साथ नॉर. ओके, सो let's check the exercise. Fill in the blank with appropriate correlative conjunction. The gardener planted both roses and lilies. You could study either French or Spanish. Hira bought not only tomatoes but also brinjal. Rakita decided to take both Nita and Prethi with her to the market. So student, rest of all do by yourself. We will discuss next conjunction, that is the subordinate conjunction. There is a third kind of conjunction known as the subordinating conjunction. Take a look at these sentences. I got a plate because I did not hear the alarm. He is sad since he has lost the race. Meera jumped with joy when Seema got the prize. In the above examples, there are two parts or two clauses in each sentence. I got up because I did not hear the alarm. He is sad. यहाँ पे sense complete होती है. Since he has lost the race. Okay. In all these examples, the second part of the sentence depend on the first in order to be meaningful. First one is meaningful. I got a plate. But second one, because I did not hear the alarm. इस सेंटेंस को कंप्लीट करने के लिए बच्चे आपको फर्स्ट वाला सेंटेंस चेक करना पड़ेगा. Okay, so these are the subordinate clauses. The conjunction that join such a clause to the main clause are known as subordinating clauses. Look at the highlighted words in the sentences given below. It is unfortunate that Mr. Jones will not return. The word connects the two parts of the sentences. It is fortunate that Mr. Jones will not return. Hence, it is a conjunction. When it connects the sentences, a part of the sentence depends on the other. The subordinate or the other meaning that Mr. John will not return by itself does not make complete sense. Okay? Words that connect two parts of a sentence such that one part depends on the other for the meaning are known as subordinate conjunction. Subordinate conjunction क्या होती है? वो दो पार्ट्स को ज्वाइन करता है जहाँ पे एक पार्ट को अपना मीनिंग क्लियर करने के लिए दूसरे पार्ट के ऊपर डिपेंड होना पड़ता है. That is the subordinate conjunction. So next exercise is only to underline the word subordinate conjunction in the sentences. I cannot understand, underline why you don't do your work. This house is where your grandfather lived, underline where. Okay. All the other bit do by yourself. And next part is part D. In part D, there are so many words given in the boxes. You have to select according to the sense of the sentence. Do it by yourself. And next is part E. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate conjunction. Here you can use any appropriate conjunction. Try to do it by yourself. I will send the answer keys in the assignment, written assignment. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.